Good afternoon, guys. Just a little update. Finally got our brush piles all gone. If you watched our time-lapse video that we uploaded earlier today, look at that beautiful giant mountain of wood chips. We're gonna have to do a little bit of work here, as you can see, spreading it about. We got our beds amended, and all of the chips done. Plan on taking a wheelbarrow, moving all of this stuff around. We got a lot more than we expected. So yeah, we're gonna have to move all of this over here. Still better than taking all the dirt from over there. And if you can see in the distance, there's a secondary pile of wood chips over there. Yeah, we're super excited. Finally got the work done. One whole day of humping butt. But no more giant pile. You can see the spots they left in the grass. Mountain of wood chips. Stay tuned, we should have an update soon. Alright guys, so here's what we were managed to get done today. Our video kind of cut out on us. But we got all of this spread. One of the 3 mountains of mulch gone. A little bit of grass still poking through up here. So we still have all of this to chip. We have a lot of wood chips. And then whatever we don't use back here, we'll put in the garden bed over there. But yeah, we got a lot of work done in what seemed like very few little bit of time. But yeah. Afternoon, guys. Kind of getting rained out here, but wanted to give you a quick little update to what we did. So far, 2 big mounds, pretty much eliminated. We have this one left over here and the one on the other side. But we've got almost all of this done. And look, our first official vegetables are popping up out here. Hello, little beans. So just a little bit left to do. I definitely have a lot more wood chips still. And then we have to wheelbarrow what's left over there. Just wanted to give you guys an update. So we got the last of the wood chips moved. And this is what we're left with. Isn't it pretty? So now we're ready to start putting plants in here. And we still have one more pile all the way down there of wood chips available for the garden over here, which in comparison seems very, very simple compared to this. Thanks for watching.